For today's entree, we recommend preparing the quick and easy cornflour cake. Crack 3 eggs in a large bowl. Mix and add mineral water, baking powder, oil, and yogurt. Mix while adding salt. Grate some white cheese. Cut up the dried sausage into tiny bits and add to the mix. Add the flour and the corn flour, all while mixing until you get a seamless mix. Cover the surface of the baking pan with oil. Add flour to the surface of the plate. Add your pie mix in the pan. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes at 200 Celsius. Take out the pie from the plate. Cut the pie in pieces. Decorate with yogurt, red lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and parsley leaves. The estimated time you'd need to prepare this dish is about 50 minutes. Bon appetit!